Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to create an awesome wavy text effect in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. First, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Now, go to the Text tab and click Add Text. Type your text and customize it. Choose a font, change the color, and adjust the size. Afterwards, go to the Animation tab and choose In, then add Wave in Animation and set its duration to 3 seconds. Then go to the Effects tab and search for Wave and Ripple Effect. Apply these effects on your text. These effects will give a dynamic look to your text. And that's it. Now you know how to create a cool, wavy text effect in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome editing tips.